सगळ्यांक देव बरी सांस देव. पयले सुवातेर तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. एट शॉर्ट नोटीस तुमी ह्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स कवर करपाक आयले. आयज हे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आमकां घेवचें पडलें कित्याक हो जो सिट्युएशन, पॉलिटिकल सिट्युएशन जे अनफोल्डिंग इन गोवा, इट्स मोर ऑफ अ पॉलिटिकल सर्कस चालू आसा. आनी जेन्ना इलेक्शन लागीं पावला, 3-4 म्हयनेच उरल्या इलेक्शनाक, त्या टायमार सडनली दीस पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविटी विथ तृणमूल काँग्रेस भितर सरपाक, where there is no presence, raises grave doubts. आमकां प्रॉब्लेम ना खंयच्योय पार्टी आयल्यो म्हण, कित्याक सद्या बीजेपी आसा, काँग्रेस आसा, एमजीपी आसा, समाजवादी पार्टी आसा, बहुजन समाजवादी पार्टी आसा, शिवसेना आसा, खुबश्यो पार्टी आयल्यो. आनी तेन्ना आमी एज गोंयचो आवाज डिसिजन घेतलें भितर सरपाक. कित्याक जेन्ना आमी हें झूज मांडलेलें एगेन्स्ट द डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ गोवा, आमकां एक कारण आशिल्लें कित्याक सरकार आयकनाशिल्लो आमचें. वेदर द 3 linear projects, whether the selling of a land, गोंयची जमीन विकून काडली अंडर रिजनल प्लॅन, 16B TDR, कोस्टल झोन मॅनेजमेंट प्लॅन, असले डिस्ट्रक्टिव्ह प्रोजेक्ट्स हाडले, प्लॅन्स हाडले, पॉलिसीज हाडले. त्या खातीर आमकां वर्सभर पयलीं एक डिसिजन घेवचें पडलें, कॉन्शियसली फोर्स्ड बाय द पीपल ऑफ गोवा एंड द यूथ. म्हळ्यार आतां जें आमी पळयता, आमकां हातून खुबसो डावट लागता. स्पेशली जेन्ना आमकां गरज आसा that there has to be a united opposition, त्या टायमारूच आमी पळयता की ऑपोजिशन इज जस्ट ब्रेकिंग अपार्ट. 4 वर्सां जालीं एज गोंयचो आवाज आमी फुडें सरले, लोकांक आपयले, युथांक आपयले, सगळो लोक रस्त्यार आयलो. कित्याक in a democracy, opposition party is supposed to be the voice of Goa, the voice of people. कोंकणीन गोंयचो आवाज म्हणटा पळय तो. आनी जेन्ना ऑपोजिशन, वेर सिनियर लिडर लायक लुईझीन फालेरो वॉज पार्ट ऑफ दॅट ऑपोजिशन, ताणें आवाज करूंक ना पूण लोकांक गोंयचो आवाज जावचो पडलो आनी आमकां रस्त्यार येवचें पडलें. That was the time we expected people like Mr. Luizin Falero to have felt humiliated. We felt humiliated by the government action and we came on the streets. But तेन्ना आमकां दिसता बाब लुईझीन फालेराक ह्युमिलेशन जावना म्हूण आमकां डावट लागता. जेन्ना 10 MLA डिफेक्ट जाले and most of them were handpicked, I believe, by बाब लुईझीन फालेरो, तेन्ना ताका ह्युमिलेशन जावना. ह्या खातीर आमकां डावट लागता. Is it selective humiliation, personal humiliation? Is there no humiliation when it comes to the destruction of Goa? आमी as गोंयचो आवाज, we are advising the people. आमी रेडी रावया. हांगा ही सर्कस चालू जातली, आनीकूय प्लेयर येतले. म्हळ्यार आश्वासन दिता आमी लोकांक, as the people of Goa, let us remain united. Parties will come, leaders will come, money will come, black money will come. Let us not fall prey to all these activities. हाचे फुडें उलोवपाक I request our party president, Bab Swapnesh Sharlekar, to explain his views.
नमस्कार. डेमोक्रेसीन कोण खंयसरूय इलेक्शनाक रावूं शकता. आमकां तेजेर कांयच म्हणणें ना. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, ह्यो ज्यो पार्टीज आसा ज्यो आतां गोंयांत इलेक्शन लागतले म्हणून फुडें सरोन येयल्लेले आसा, बारीक पळोवपाक गेल्यार तेंच्यांनी आपल्या राज्यांनी रिजनल फोर्सीस जाय म्हणून प्रचार केल्लो इलेक्शनाक. तुमकां जर सगळ्यांक खबर आसतलें जाल्यार गोंयांत येतो कोणी ते रिजनल फोर्सांक कित्याक प्रोत्साहन दिनात तर तुमच्या राज्यांनी तुमकां रिजनल फोर्सीस जाय, कित्याक तुमकां दिसता की रिजनल फोर्सीस नोज बेटर अबाउट देअर लँड, अबाउट देअर स्टेट. आनी गोंयान येतकच तुमचे खंय हालता तर, तुमचे जे इक्वेशन आहा अंदाज आहा तो कसो चुकता तर. हांव गोंयच्या लोकांक तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सांगूंक सोदता की ह्यो ज्यो नवीन नवीन पार्ट्यो ज्यो सध्या आतां गोंयान येता इलेक्शनां लडपाक, तेंच्यांनी गोंयाक लॅबोरेटरी मायज केल्लेले आहा. फक्त एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करपाक येतात ती हांगासर. तेंकां कितें जाला, बारीकशे राज्य कमी पयसो घातलो बाकीच्या राज्या पेक्षा जाल्यार आमकां मे बी नॅशनल पार्टीचो टॅग मेळटलो. तुमचो विचार तुमच्या जाग्यार बरोबर आसा, पण आमचें म्हणणें कितें, तुमी आमचो बळी दितात तेजें कितें. तुमी गोंयचो आनी गोंयकारांचो बळी दिवन आपलो स्वार्थ साध्य करपाक सोदता. आनी दुख्खाची गोश्ट, आमचे थोडे विभीशण तेंच्या वांगडा मेळटा. म्हाजो प्रश्न ह्या पक्षांक, ह्या पॉलिटिकल पार्ट्यांक, की जेन्ना तुमकां दिसता की तुमच्या राज्यांनी रिजनल फोर्सीस आसपाक जाय, रिजनल पार्टी शूड रूल युअर स्टेट अशें तुमकां दिसता, जाल्यार गोंयान येतकच तुमचो हे प्रिंसिपल चेंज कित्याक जाता. हेजेर उत्तर दिवपाचें. आनी हे जे बाकीचे जे गोंयचे गेला पळय, गोंयचे बरें करतले म्हणून लोकांक सांगून पिशान पिपळ दाखयतात. अरे तेंच्या राज्यांनी तेंच्यांनी कितें केलां तें पळया मरे. हांगासर कितें आमकां गोंयच्या लोकांक मूर्ख समजल्यात तुमी. हो प्रश्नाचो उत्तर तेंच्यांनी दिवचो. जेंच्यांनी आतां बाकीच्या पक्षांनी उडक्यो मारला पळय त्या लोकांक हो प्रश्न लागलो. देव बरें.
आता आमचो वायस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ गोंयचो आवाज बाब रोशन मातायस हाचेर उलयतलो.
गुड इवनिंग. आयज खूब दूख लागता आमी ह्या जाग्यार गोंयकारां खातीर हाजीर जाल्या. And that is why our name is Goincho Awaz, and we have come here on behalf of the people of Goa. It is very sad to see the situation of the political circus that is going on in our state. Goa is a very, very small state. We have enough strength within our state to rule ourselves, to understand ourselves. And it has been known fact that anyone coming from outside are not successful here just because they come with other intentions. Yes, today we have a new entrant, the TMC, who is coming to Goa. Just as we explained, there is no problem in democracy for somebody to come and contest. It's fine. But what is the intention of the contesting should be known to everybody, and that is where there is a huge danger. We have one common enemy. Everyone knows the name of that enemy. And that enemy today is very scared in Goa because they know the misery they have put the people in. Whether it comes to our regular petrol, whether it comes to gas, whether it has come to demonetization, whether it is taxes, whether it is policies, whether it is Bhumiputra bill, whether it is our land, whether it is our natural beauty, whether it is sex, whether it is drugs, they have put us in trouble in every possible field. There is nothing that has not been destroyed by them. And that is why they are 100% sure that they know that they are not going to come in power. And this raises a doubt. This raises the doubt among the people of Goa, for which we are voicing out today, whether these parties who are coming here to contest are really interested in saving that small Goa for Goa and for themselves, or are they coming here to fulfill the dreams of the common enemy? Is it that the common enemy themselves are putting such parties in our state to further divide us? This the Goan needs to think. Every Goan who's going to vote needs to think about this. And I'm very sad to say that through our sources, we have also come to know that there is one mastermind behind all this who's controlling this entire circus. In legal terms or in the circus terms, he is known as a ringmaster. And he is sitting in this very area that we are sitting. This ringmaster shows that he is going to control opposition, but sorry to say, he has been given the task to form this opposition to become a big failure for Goa and for the Goans, just as he has been doing in the last few years. We will give you all more concrete examples as the time comes closer to the elections. In the interest of every Goan and every Goaikar and in the interest of the state, we will be there to keep exposing whatever is threatening us and our state. Thank you very much.
As we end, on a parting note, आम्ही गोंयच्या लोकांक याद करूंक दिता की जेन्ना ब्रिटिशर आयिल्ले इंडियेक ते स्वता येवंक ना अशेंच घरचे भेदी आशिल्ले टू फॅसिलिटेट द एंट्री फॉर सेंचुरीज इन्वेडर्स फ्रॉम पर्शिया अफगानिस्तान जे आयिल्ले नॉर्थाक destroyed India, looted India. There were facilitators who opened the doors. Portuguese आयिल्ले, there were facilitators. On this note, we will keep a watch. देव बरें करूं.
Roshan, you made a very pertinent point. That there is a doubt in the minds of the people whether these new parties that we got in Goa establish to divide the secular vote. That's what you are trying to say. Do you have any suspicion on the credentials of the TMC in fighting the communist forces?
I had suspicion, but looking at the people who are joining that, I think that suspicion is coming to 100% reality.
Because we see every day in Calcutta, we are fighting with the BJP, against the BJP. So workers are being killed of the BJP. And here you think that they will come to help the BJP to work?
See, this only shows that TMC honestly has not done their proper study. They may be having an intention to throw out the BJP at center, which is good. There's no problem about it. But when you plan to play a game, you need to study your enemy, you need to study the ground. All grounds are not the same. There are some grounds that have got turfs, there are some grounds that have mud. You need to understand the ground where you are working. And just as we said, when TMC is coming to Goa, you are welcome, but you should have come as a person who's uniting the opposition, not dividing. And then you take members from the parties again who are again further divided. And this is not good for the state of Goa and for the people of Goa. Where are we heading?
I'll just add on that. Since the main person who has now left is Mr. Luisin Falero, the 10 defectors who have gone were desperate to come back to the Congress. 80% of them were handpicked by Mr. Luisin Falero in 2017. First, there were attempts to give them a ticket in the NCP. Goicho Abbas had warned publicly, any party which accommodates or rehabilitates these betrayers, we will go hammer and tongs. Today, their godfather who had given them the ticket going to TMC, and amka news melta ki TMC will be accommodating them, will keep a watch. That raises grave doubts. Probably TMC is not aware about the bigger game being played in Goa.
Just for information, I don't know, I have not kept it right. But the question arises is, did Goenka Awas oppose Aam Aadmi Party all this time? Or now your opposition is only towards TMC? They are also come from Delhi. But we did not see any opposition from Aam Aadmi Party. Maybe you are right, just brief.
Aam Aadmi had entered Goa much before Goincho Awaz was formed. We came on the streets 8th,
Because suddenly,
8th April.
when TMC comes, you all have come up.
No, because it looks like the TMC is breaking the opposition. Though it is an internal matter of the Congress is, they should have learned a lesson and kept their house in order. But if the TMC had broken the BJP, we would have felt, yes, they have come to actually challenge the BJP. But the very fact they are dividing, breaking the opposition means there is a doubt to their intentions. Otherwise, we appreciate what Mamata Banerjee had done. And if she wants to become a prime minister, if her intention is to, give a shot at the prime ministership in 2024, I don't think so it will happen, because now the opposition will start doubting her. We just want to ask, what have you for Goa? We have been fighting last 4 years. You were in power in Calcutta. You all knew that there is a fight going on the streets to save Goa. Tani taranka macho tanko dillo, just to say we are there with the people of Goa. Today we would have welcomed them with open arms.
Is there any possibility of Captain Virato joining the Congress in the coming days? Because we have been told that Dinesh Gundurao has received maybe in the last 2 or 3 days. And in this press conference is coming against the backdrop of that meeting, purported meeting, which I have not seen. So how is Virato going about his business?
This looks like a googly. Probably they have realized that Goincho Awaz has a standing among the people of Goa. We have been fighting for causes, honestly and truly to the cause of Goa. Maybe they have realized now that they are under attack. Can we look up to Goincho Awaz for some support?
No.
Because if you see, the very leader of he should ask the Congress leaders, why did not you all join Goincho Awaz on the streets when they were?
But did Dinesh Gundurao came out with any offer to join? Or lock, stock, and
There have been
barrel?
offers from 3 parties. There have been offers from 3 parties for Goincho Awaz. We won't be denying that 3 parties have approached.
For alliance or for merger?
Alliance with offers which we said, what are your views on the 3 projects, on coastal zone management plan, on regional plan? Till people don't answer this, we can't come near to anyone.
Captain, which are these 3 parties which have been approached now?
Probably we'll disclose in the days to come. But big parties.
National parties?
Some want to become national parties. I think so.
Okay.
Some have entered Goa to become national parties.
Now that KMC is also come into play politically, are there any scopes and to change the strategies of Goincho Awaz to contest the forthcoming elections? Are there any needs now at the moment to strategize politically?
We have called for an emergency core committee meeting. We will be taking a decision. Plus, there are some elders who are the senior members of core committee. They are sitting very much here as well as amongst you. They will be guiding us. We'll go by whatever advice they give us and what is in the interest of Goa.
Admin is here.
Who is this ringmaster of Malgaon? Who is controlling this? Could you please name that ringmaster?
Normally in the circus when you go, you will watch the circus first and last the ringmaster comes to introduce himself. Let's wait for him.
He's ready to come. He's ready to come.
Let the circus go
He
on.
is already there.
He's there.
Yeah, if anyone's not performing well, we are there to watch that.
Coming from far off places
No,
or
he's
very
very
close
much close by to
Very
where
close
we
to
are sitting.
Margao.
just what you want to convey today from this press conference?
That there is a big conspiracy. We want to advise the people of Goa that this sudden entry of TMC is just not something which is happening because the TMC wants some power. There are some forces in Goa who have come together. We have all the details. At the right time, we will expose. We are not shooting in the air. When Roshan has said there's a ringmaster, we have identified the ringmaster. We have identified the players. And we advise also the TMC, don't fall prey to the mechanisms of these people. Thank you. Dev Bharat.